Hang the priming circuit on the drip stand. Be sure to wear sterile gloves when opening the pump head inner packaging. Using standard aseptic technique, attach the blue tubing to the connector marked inlet and the red tubing to the outlet of the pump. Make sure that both tubes are pushed firmly over two barbs of the connectors. Clamp both blue and red tubes approximately 4 inches from the recirculation bag. Now attach the priming solution to the giving set and fill the recirculation bag. Remove the cap from the air bleed and de-air the recirculation bag. Being sure to close the air bleed and replace the sterile cap. Now close the clip on the giving set. Remove the clamps from the tubing and allow the fluid to find a level. Now, drop the table lines below the level of the recirculation bag. Air will rise into the bag and the table lines will fill with fluid. Try to guide any air in the system towards the recirculation bag. Once the majority of air has been removed, hang the table lines back on the drip stand. Flow is needed to remove small bubbles. The pump is inserted in the head by twisting anti-clockwise and tightening the securing screw. Next, attach the flow probe to the outlet tubing. Depress the black lever and open the gate. Clip the probe onto the tubing, checking carefully for direction of flow marked by the blue arrow. Turn the system on and allow it to self-test. Generate forward flow by pressing the Set RPM button, followed by the up arrow. Once forward flow is established, remaining air should be removed. It is important to check the pump head for air, so stop the pump, remove the head and agitate it gently. Do not hit the pump hard or with metal objects at any point. Reattach and restart the pump head and perform a final check for any air. Any remaining air in the recirculation bag can now be removed to prevent air entrainment. Finally, with the pump running, clamp the red outlet tubing, switch the pump off and clamp the blue inlet tubing. At this point, the use of tie bands is recommended to secure the tubing connections. The system is now ready for use and the table lines can be removed from their packaging and passed into the surgical field.